How to change keyboard layout on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process. So now, without wasting any second, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to the Windows 11 logo and right click and tap on settings. Then the next step is to go to time and language. Please tap on time and language, and right over here please tap on language and region. And here on the three dots you see right here, tap on it and you can simply go to, and here just tap on language options. And guys, if you scroll a little bit down, you will see keywords, and here you can tap on add a keyboard and look for a keyword that you want to add. I'll go with Italian keyboard, and as you can see right now we have two. Now here, after you added the keyboard, added the Italian keyboard, here you'll see you can change from English now to Italian. Install keyboards for language specific key, layout and input options. And by the way, if you want to change the shortcut to change between keyboard layouts, it is the logo and space. Okay, the logo, Windows logo you have on your keyboard, and space. And as you can see now, I can change. This is pretty good and really helpful shortcut. And now let's say you want to you would like to remove one of the layouts, right? So just tap on the three dots, tap on the remove, and it's simple as that. So I hope this video provides you with value. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more short or just tutorial in general. I don't have a specific category that I do tutorials in general, is just tech. So if you're interested if you're into this kind of videos, please subscribe and like for more. See you in the next one. Take care.